Which of the following courts in India are known as Court of Record, Supreme Court and High Court both? Which one of the following is correct with regarding to power of review any judgment pronounced or any made by the Supreme Court of India? The Supreme Court has power to review its own judge and order. Which of the following is correct about Supreme Court regarding judgment? It can change its judgment. Which article of Indian Constitution conferred a special leave petition to Supreme Court? Article 136. The power to increase the number of judges in Supreme Court of India is vested in Parliament. The jurisdiction of Supreme Court can be increased by which of the following law made by the Parliament. The power to enlarge the jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India with respect to any matter included in Union list of legislature rests with the Parliament. In India, judicial review implies the power of judiciary to pronounce upon the constitutionality of laws and executive orders. In India, the power of judicial review is enjoyed by Supreme Court as well as High Court. Who was the Chief Justice of India when PIL was introduced by Indian judicial system? T.N. Bhagwati. Public interest litigation has been introduced by as judicial initiative. When PIL can be introduced, both in Supreme Court and High Court. Judicial activism in India is related to public interest litigation. When the following writ is issued when pendency of proceeding in court probation. A writ which is issued by judiciary and through which executive has been asked to perform under authorized power, mandamus. When the Supreme Court issues a writ to a person or an institution to perform a duty is called mandamus. Which of the following writs can be filed for sack of personal liberty or freedom? Habeas corpus. Under the Constitution of India, the power to issue a writ of habeas corpus is vested in both Supreme Court and High Court. Which of the following constitution remedy is known as post-mortem? It is called certiorari. The writ of certiorari can be issued by Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Court under Article 226 to direct inferior court of tribunals or authorities to transit to court and record of proceedings for scrutiny. Habeas to have body of mandamus, B command, provision, writ of provision, 2 by what authority? Under which law it is prescribed that all proceedings in Supreme Court and Supreme Court shall be in English language? Article 348 of Constitution of India. The official language of Supreme Court is English. Supreme Court judgment in Indira Sahni versus Union of India related to which of the following? Reservation of OBC. In which year was collegium system was appointed? Judge appointed first term 1993.